significant light, just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time.
Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Hope you're doing great. Today we are diving into some simple yet impactful ways to elevate our living spaces. Whether you are a working professional or a busy homemaker, these tips are perfect for making your home more inviting and stylish. Today in this video we will talk mostly about styling of sofas, but I will also like to touch upon a little bit on the coffee table decor, because a sofa styling is absolutely incomplete without touching on the coffee table. We will start by removing everything from the coffee table. This gives us a blank canvas to work with and helps to envision the space without any distractions. Choose the decor items that are proportionate to the size of the coffee table. Large items can overwhelm a small table, while tiny items might get lost on a larger surface. Also, complement the shape of the coffee table. Round objects on rectangle table can soften the look, while square and rectangular item can enhance the structure of a round table. Start with a central eye-catching item such as a vase of flowers, sculpture, or a large potted plant. This actually acts as a focal point and anchors all your arrangement. Though in the first look everything looked nice, but the combination of different textures like smooth ceramic, rough wood, shiny metal, or a soft textile, this will add depth and keep the arrangement very engaging. Using contrasting material will create a very dynamic look. Here I am using these stone coasters instead of the marble ones. The design and the pattern is pretty dynamic and it's not matchy-matchy with our candlesticks. Use decor items of different heights to create visual interest. Like here, everything is falling flat, everything is at the same level. Just by adding this small pot of succulent in the same color palette of the artwork creates a visual interest. Incorporating a plant or a flower always brings a touch of outdoors indoors. Fresh flowers in a vase or a small potted plant can really add life and color to the coffee table. You can also use shells, stones, wood objects to add that organic feel. There is no one-fit-all solution for this situation. Just keep on trying, mix and match, and see what works for you. It is very important to have a very practical decor and not a very overwhelming or crowded decor on the coffee table. I have shared a detailed video on coffee table styling where I have shared 20 plus different styles of coffee table decor. You can check that video out where I have explained everything in very detail. The link will be in the I button and in the description box for you. If you're enjoying this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Do leave a comment which look of the coffee table is your favorite one. Your sofa is the centerpiece of your living room. It is where you relax and entertain guests and spend quality time with your family. So why not make it look fabulous? So today I'll show you how I style my sofa using cushions and throws. Also, we'll share some of the tips on how I pick all these cushion covers and throw blankets. So let's get started. Cushions are like jewelry of your sofa. They can instantly change the look and feel of the living room. Here you can master the art of cushion styling by mixing textures and patterns. First, let's talk textures and pattern. Imagine your sofa as a blank canvas. And by adding cushions in different textures like velvet, linen, faux fur, you create a very rich tactile experience. Velvet cushions add a touch of luxury, and linen brings a very casual vibe. On the other hand, a faux fur provides a cozy and a very plush feel. Patterns actually define your style, in my opinion, whereas solids and stripes are very commonly used. The kind of pattern in form of motifs and geometric shapes defines what type of style you are going for. Personally, I have a very soft corner for traditional decor, and I try to bring it in form of cushion covers and few of the decor pieces. Color is the key. Choose cushion in colors that complements or contrast with your sofa and the room's color palette. If your sofa is a neutral gray, a vibrant yellow, a deep blue cushion can add a striking pop of color. Alternatively, a monochromatic scheme using different shades of the same color can create a very sophisticated, cohesive look. Today, I'll show you how I'm using different shades of brown and almost very light green. I want to define the very harsh summer that we are experiencing, where grasses are burnt, the greens are turning very dull. So that kind of color palette I'm trying to replicate on my sofa. Next, let's talk about throw blankets. A throw can add both warmth and style to your sofa, making it look very inviting and well put together. The placement of everything, you can drape a throw very casually at the back of the sofa for a laid back look, or folding it neatly over the arm gives a very polished appearance. The key is to make it look intentional yet very effortless. Throws are a great way to introduce a new pattern or a color to your living room. A stripe or a plaid throw can add a dynamic element, while a solid color throw can tie together various elements in the room. How you arrange the cushion can make a big difference. For a more formal look, place cushions symmetrically, pair on each corner. If you prefer very casual, relaxed vibe, then go for an asymmetrical arrangement, mixing different size, shapes and keep it interesting. Choosing the right material is very essential. A chunky knit throw is perfect for winter months, adding warmth and texture. And for a touch of elegance, faux throw is also ideal. But for a light, breezy look in summer, I personally like to opt for cotton or blended cottons. Styling your sofa and coffee table can be simple and yet effective way to enhance your living space. Whether you prefer a formal, symmetric look or a casual, eclectic vibe, I hope these tips will help you to create a cozy and a stylish environment. I am so thankful that you have watched till the end. If you did, then do not forget to share, like, and subscribe for more home decor tips. Let us also know in the comments how you style your sofa and coffee table, and share your photo with us using our hashtag simplyKaushiki. Until next time, happy decorating.